Hello there, thank you very much for joining me. It's Mohammed Fahim. Today's lesson is about future continuous tense and it's the 10th tense of 10 series. This tense actually indicates that something will be going on at a specific time in the future. यानी future में कोई चीज जो है वो specific time पे जारी होगी and it's a very easy tense. Let's move to whiteboard to understand it comprehensively. Something will be happening at a specific time in the future, as I already have said. Example, we have an example. I'll be eating dinner at 8 p.m. I is a subject, will is a helping verb. I have used contraction form, and you can find our video, short video on contraction on YouTube as well. Will be, there's a combined auxiliary verb. Eat is a first form and we are putting ing. Dinner obviously is a nighttime eating. At 8 p.m. it shows the time, specific time. This means I'll be eating dinner at 8 p.m. यानी मैं रात 8 बजे खाना खाऊंगा या खाना खा रहा हूँगा. So this shows that in the future the activity will be going on. Now we need to understand how we can translate different sentences into English in future continuous. The formation or the structure, it's here. First we will impose or we will put or we will place our subject, and then we will be using will be, no shall be, because in present English it's only will, and will be used in a combination. दोनों इकट्ठे use करेंगे, and then we will be using first form of verb with ing similar to continuous tense like past continuous or present continuous, where we always use ing with the first form of verb. Again, I repeat it, in the beginning there will be subject, then will be, then first form of verb with ing. And if you want to make the sentence negative, you need to put not in between will and be. यानी आप will के बाद not लगाएंगे, then आप be लगाएंगे. You will be putting not in between will and be. And if you want to make it interrogative, similarly, we will bring will in the beginning of the sentence, and if there are any WH words, we will be putting WH words like who, what, such words in the beginning, then will, then subject, then be, then first form of verb with ing. We have some example sentences to understand it. I'll be studying at 9 p.m. I'll is a contraction again. I will be. Study is a first form and we have included ing. I'll be studying at 9 p.m. This is an indication of time. This means I'm not studying at the moment, but at a specific time I'll be doing an activity which is called studying. So 9 बजे जो है वो मैं पढ़ रहा हूँगा. Again, if we look at the next sentence, she will be watching TV tomorrow evening. This is an indicator of time, and this is our subject, helping verb, first form of verb with ing, and this is the work or action that I'll be performing. She will be watching TV tomorrow evening. It's really simple. We will be traveling next week. So again, next week, this means next week, the coming week. So that work will continue in the coming week, not now. So it's a future continuous. I'll not be sleeping early. यानी मैं जल्दी नहीं सोऊंगा. This means I'll not be sleeping early. The person is talking about the future activity when that he will not sleep early. He will not be sleeping early. वो जल्दी नहीं सो रहा होगा. He will not be coming. वो नहीं आएगा या वो नहीं आ रहा होगा. That's an indicator about the specific time. It's really simple tense and there is no complication in that. This is an exercise that you will do by yourself and it will give you a chance to practice. For instance, she will be space cook dinner at 7 p.m. You need to change the form of verb according to this. You will be adding first form of verb is already there, but you will be adding ing. This is open clue, and similarly it's for other. We will be space play football tomorrow. I'll not be space sleep early. Will you be space watch the match? Now let's have an overview of this tense. What this tense is used for. We need to remember three things. First, action happening at a specific time in the future. This tense is used to indicate an action that will be happening at a specific time in the future. Number two, प्लैंड एक्शन, जो भी आपका प्लैंड एक्शन है, आपने प्लान किया हुआ है, इस टेंस में वो चीज आएगी फ्यूचर से रिलेटेड। नंबर 3, पोलाइट क्वेश्चंस, अगर आपने पोलाइट तरीके से नरम लहजे में किसी से बात करनी हो, नरम क्वेश्चन करना हो, देन वी विल बी यूजिंग दिस टेंस एज वेल टू टॉक अबाउट द फ्यूचर एक्टिविटीज। अब हमें कैसे पता चलेगा? लेट्स सी actions happening at a specific time। अगर आप देखें इस सेंटेंस को, at 10 p.m. I'll be reading, यानी 10 बजे मैं पढ़ रहा हूँगा। This is an indication that an action will be going on at a specific time in the future। So example sentences में this has a direct link with this one। I'll be studying at 9 p.m. Here I put the time in the beginning, here I put the time in the end। Both are correct forms of making sentence। Planned action, this shows I'll be meeting my friends tomorrow। This means it's not yet, it's not this evening, it's tomorrow। The action is going to take place tomorrow, so it's a planned action। Polite question, will you be using this room? This is a question from a person that if he or she wants to use a room, will you be using this room? This shows the politeness of the tense or of the person who is asking the question। I hope it's really easy. Thank you very much for joining me.